মই তোমাক আগতে ক'ৰবাত দেখিছোঁ। I have seen you somewhere before. I have seen you somewhere before. এইটো তেওঁৰ পৰামৰ্শ আছিল। It was his advice. It was his advice. তেওঁৰ এটা চকু অন্ধ। He is blind of one eye. He is blind of one eye. মোৰ বাহিৰলৈ যোৱাৰ মন নাই। I do not feel like going to out. I do not feel like going to out. তাত কোনো নাছিল। Nobody was there at all. Nobody was there at all. এইটো ভাল অভ্যাস। This is a good habit. This is a good habit. মই তোমাৰ সমস্যা বুজি পাওঁ। I understand your problem. I understand your problem. সেই মানুহজন কোন তাত থিয় হৈ আছে? Who is this man standing over there? Who is this man standing over there? যোৱা মাহত মই মুম্বাইত আছিলোঁ। I was in Mumbai last month. I was in Mumbai last month. বাহিৰত বহুত ঠাণ্ডা। It is very cold outside. It is very cold outside. ডাকঘৰলৈ যোৱা পথ কোনটো? Which is the way to the post office? Which is the way to the post office? সিহঁতৰ কোনো টকা সঞ্চিত নাই। They do not have money in savings. They do not have money in savings. আমি তাত কাকো চিনি নাপাওঁ। We do not know anybody there. We do not know anybody there. আপুনি কিহৰ ব্যৱসায় কৰিছে? What type of business have you started? What type of business have you started? এই কিতাপখন আপোনাৰ কেনে লাগিল? How do you like this book? How do you like this book? গাঁওখনৰ অৱস্থা সঁচাই শোচনীয়। The condition of the place is miserable. The condition of the place is miserable. মোৰ তাত যাবলৈ 10 মিনিট সময় লাগে। I have 10 minutes to go there. I have 10 minutes to go there. মই তাত এবাৰ গৈছিলোঁ। I had gone there once. I had gone there once. তুমি মোক কিয় উপদেশ দি আছা? Why are you advising me? Why are you advising me? তেওঁ কি ভাল পায়? What does he like? What does he like? তেওঁ এই কামটো কৰিব পাৰিব। He can do this work. He can do this work. আপুনি মোক সহায় কৰিব পাৰিবনে? Can you help me? Can you help me? তুমি মোক ভয় খুৱাই দিলা। You scared me. You scared me.